Good morning, guys. My name is Phil. Welcome back to Miranda Detailing. In today's video, we're going to be detailing this BMW GT. So guys, the GT is now back in the shop, and it's been about 6 months since we applied the Ethos Ceramic Pro Wax. At the 3-month mark, it actually was showing really good signs of durability. It was beading, it was sheeting. We washed it with the ceramic shampoo, we applied Defy as the maintenance, and 3 months later, at the 6-month mark, it's back. So we're gonna see how long that Ceramic Pro Wax has lasted on the paint. I'm thinking that it may be on its last leg. For any type of sealant like that, I'm thinking 6 months is probably gonna be the max, but who knows? And if the sealant is dead, if it's gone, that's really not bad. At the 6-month mark, you really want to be doing a proper wash again anyway. Decon everything, at least lightly, maybe not have to go through the whole detarring and iron removal and all of that, but at least a good APC rinse, a good wash, and then reapply another type of sealant. So we're gonna check out the paint, see what it's looking like, and then make our decision from there. So guys, if you're enjoying the videos, please subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. And check out the links down below if you're interested in any of the products that we're going to be using today. So let's get started. So guys, we just finished washing the GT. Just doing a little bit of final rinsing, but look at the results. Now, on the 3rd month mark, we washed it with the ceramic shampoo and applied Defy. So what you're most likely seeing is the Ceramic Pro Wax topped with Defy. So we're probably seeing the hydrophobics of Defy. But then again, I really don't know if the customer washed himself where he brought it, because it was relatively clean, even though the wheels were dirty. So he did drive it a few times. This is awesome. It actually does look better than the 3rd month mark. So I think we are seeing the hydrophobic effects of Defy as the topper. Extremely hydrophobic, very, very slick, and everything washed away easily, all the way to the bottom. It's beading and sheeting all the way to the bottom. So that's impressive. It looks incredible and still extremely glossy. And even the wheels were protected with AM wheel wax. So heat resistant wax, a heat resistant wheel wax, and it's doing a great job. Super easy to clean. So the ceramic shampoo does make it very, very slick, and since it does have a little bit of ceramic in it, it's most likely filling in the gaps of any weak spots. But I mean, look at that. That looks incredible. Just look at it. Look at it. Look at that. So if you flood the panel, it will pull all the beads off if you're not into the beads. So the product will bead and sheet depending on how you apply the water. So if I had a better setup here for flooding the panel, you want a nice even flow of water without creating too much splashing, then you'll create a nice sheeting effect and it'll pull all those beads off. So you're left with just minimal beads. But it's okay if there's beads on it, because we're going to apply more Defy, use it as a drying aid, and dry everything. So here's Ethos Defy.
Oh, it smells good too.
Mm-hmm. Ooh, it leaves a really nice slick surface. Perfect. We did this car in this garage while you were in the yard mowing the lawn. Now it's dry, and look how glossy it is. That Defy, I think, is incredible. It is great as a topper, and after 3 months, it is still extremely hydrophobic, and the paint is extremely glossy and slick. So excellent. Now you can use that Defy on anything as a maintenance. It's a topper, so it can be used on waxes, sealants, coatings, anything, and it really does help the base coat and creates that nice hydrophobic glossy effect. So impressed. Very, very happy with that. I was not expecting it to look like that at all. So amazing. So for the wheels, I'm going to use the Ethos detail spray just to add a little bit more protection, and also to just clean up any little smudges or little bits that I may have missed.
Oh.
Now for the tires, I'm going to be using the Vonix Shiny. Now this is a glossy sort of tire dressing, but that also depends on how you apply it, how you wipe it down. So we're going to try it on these tires. Actually going to shake this bottle up a little bit. It is a thick solvent-based tire shine, so that's where you're going to get that extreme shininess, but it is supposed to also protect the tire and be durable. So let's see. It is a thick gel. And you can put this on plastic and rubber trim also. That was weird. So as far as glossiness goes, well, it's not that bad. I'm sure if you apply it thicker, multiple coats, it'll get shinier, but I think that is actually really, really nice. It's not too glossy. It's more of a natural finish. And if you want, you can let that soak in and then wipe it down with the towel and get a better desired result if you want it more natural, more satin. But I think that's really nice. Wheels look awesome. All right, good. Let's move on to the rest of them. The BMW GT is done. It is looking beautiful. Very impressed with the results. The Ceramic Pro Wax and Ethos D3FY really holding up well. So this is at the 6-month mark. Paint is still looking good. It's got a little bit of marring in it just from, who knows, wiping it down. The paint still looks really glossy and relatively swirl free. So not bad at all. But all the paint is cleaned, trim is looking great, tires and wheels all shined up, and the tires looking really nice. That Vonix Shiny is really not that shiny. Only if you apply it really, really heavy is when you'll get that shiny look. But I don't like that, so I just applied it with a foam applicator, worked it into the rubber, and it produces a really nice, more of a satin shine. So not bad at all. Interior was also cleaned up, really just a basic. This is just a maintenance detail, so not a full detail. So no deconning was needed, no APC rinse was even needed because the paint was reacting so well. The protection on it was amazing. So using the ceramic shampoo was all we needed, and we did deep clean the tires and even the wheels with a degreaser from Malco. But again, they were beating up, they were protected, and the tires cleaned up really well also. So as we look at the interior, it was cleaned with the lithium inner space, which is a kind of an all-in-one. It cleans and it lightly conditions and puts some UV protection on all the plastics and leather. Carpets were not bad at all. Quick vacuum is all it needed, and it's looking great. So that's going to do it for the video. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and I hope you enjoyed the results from this Ethos D3FY and Ceramic Wax Pro. Very impressed. In the onset, I really didn't know what to expect. I thought it was going to be dead on the paint, but it is still beating like crazy, still protecting the paint, still glossy, still slick. Very impressed. So we're going to continue to monitor the vehicle. In another 3 months, it will be back and we'll see what it looks like. And basically throughout the year, this is the quarterly maintenance detail for this customer's vehicle. And so far it is awesome. Now, granted, he doesn't drive it as often as he used to, or as other people would. So it is garaged, and it was driven, I would say maybe twice, but it's kept out of the rain. So that's another factor. And that's most likely why the products are also lasting so long, because it's out of the elements. So again, it's one of those things where if you want your vehicle to look its best, if you have a garage, don't store junk in it. Store your vehicle in it. That's your investment. So clear out that garage if it's full of junk and put your vehicles in the garage. They will last longer, they'll be cleaner, and you're protecting your investment. That's what you want to do. So thank you guys for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe and click that bell so you don't miss stuff. We'll see you guys next time. Have a great week. Take care.